Here we go!
Hey guys, my name is Zachary. Welcome back to Encore TV. So today I am doing my first ever vlog. So it is a how to make a YouTube play button Valentine box. That's right guys, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a YouTube Valentine's box. But just a note, my computer's broken down, sadly. But that means I can't edit very well. I will try to edit because YouTube thankfully has editing software. So I am going to edit this video, but I'm not going to Filmora or anything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So let's swap over to Valentine's box making. Okay guys, we are at the Valentine's box. Me and my dad have made a little bit of progress. Not that much. So what you guys are going to need is lots of pieces of paper, but it's depending on how big the box is. And then you also need some red paper or any color you want to make your YouTube play button. So as you can see here, here is the red play button, and then here is the white, and then we have a white background, and then you can add like, subscribe, and comment. So I'm gonna put this in a time lapse so you can see it's working. So see you guys later. Bye.
We don't deal with outsiders very well. They say newcomers have a certain smell. Yeah, trust issues not to mention. They say they can smell your intentions. You laughing on the freak show sitting next to you. You laugh some weird people sitting next to you. You think how did I get here sitting next to you? But after all I've said, please don't forget. All my friends are heathens.
Okay guys, I am done coloring, but if the scene has changed a slight bit, it's because this has taken 2 days to make, because we didn't have a lot of time in the last scene. So I am going to show you guys my Valentine's box, so here it is. Okay guys, this is the big reveal, and hallelujah. Okay, so basically, you can add whatever you'd like on your box, but this is what I did. So I added my logo with my guy from my custom poster pointing at the YouTube. Then I put a little slit in there, if you can see that, so they could put the Valentine's box in. Then I put a repeat command block, so it repeats the commands, so it's like comments there. There's Cappy, there's hearts and vines, then comment. But then you weren't supposed to see these wires, so it's like teared paper. And it's going all around the box, as you can see. There's some there, some there, some there, some there. I'm just gonna do some shout outs. Big thanks to my dad for drawing all this amazing artwork. I colored all of it, but I think that my dad did a lot of it. Like he drew and he cut and he pasted. And you put that beautiful slit in there. So, let me just outro the video. See you later. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy the video, please leave a like, comment in the comment section down below of what videos you would like me to make. Also, subscribe. That would be awesome because I'm just starting out and I want to know if you guys are liking this channel. So, thank you for watching this video. I hope I taught you a little bit on how to make a Valentine's box. So, thank you for watching again, and goodbye!